Today we will discuss relation, domain and range, and also discuss function. Firstly, I will write the definition of relation and then I will explain with the help of example. Any subset of Cartesian product A cross B is called a relation. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to A, B, C. Their Cartesian product A cross B is equal to 1, A, 1, B, 1, C, 2, A, 2, B, 2, C, 3, A, 3, B, 3, C. Relation, we said a relation is any subset of Cartesian product. For example, a relation R1 is equal to 1, A, 1, B, 1, C. This is a relation because it is subset of Cartesian product. Another relation, for example, 1A, 2B, 3C, it is also relation, and so many relation can be right. Now I will write the definition of domain. This set of first element of the order pair forming relation is called domain. For example, domain of relation R1 is domain of relation R1 is equal to 1. Domain of relation R2 is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Because we take the first element of every order pair in for domain. Therefore, the domain of relation R2 is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Now I will write the definition of range. This set of second element of the order pair forming relation is called range. For example, the range of relation R1, range of R1 is equal to, in range we take the second element of every order pair. In this case, range of relation R1 is A, B, C. Also relation of range, also the range of relation R2 is equal to A, B, C. Now I will write the definition of function. Any relation of Cartesian product from A cross B will be function if domain of the function f is equal to set A. Second, first element of no two its order pair are equal. I explain it with the help of example. For example, the relation R1. Firstly, we said the domain. We said that domain of function should be equal to set A. In a relation R1, domain is equal to only 1. The domain is not equal to set A. Set A is 1, 2 and 3. Therefore the relation R1 is not function. Now we check the relation R2. Firstly we check domain of the function should be equal to set A. In a relation R2, domain is equal to 1, 2, 3 and it is equal to set A. Set A is 1, 2 and 3. First condition is fulfilled. Second condition, first element of no to its order pair are equal. You can see the first element of any order pair are different. No to its order pair have same first element. Therefore relation R2 is a function. You can write in this way: 1, 2, 3 A, B, C. Simply I write the relation R2 in this way. This is a function. Now I take an other relation. For example R3. I take this relation from this Cartesian product. For example I take 1A, 2B and 1C. This is not a relation because firstly it is the domain of function is domain of relation is not equal to set A. Second is the first element of two its order pair are equal. So the first and second both the condition are fail. Now I take another relation. For example R4. 1A, 2B, 3C and 1C. First condition is domain F should be equal to set A. Domain of the relation is equal to 1, 2, 3. First condition is fulfilled. Now we check the second condition. Second condition said first element of its every order pair should be different, but 1A and 1C, these two order pair have same first element. Therefore this relation is not function. You can also say in this, if I relation in this way: 1, 2, 3 A, B, C. 1A, 2B, 3C and 1C. First element of two its order pair are same. Therefore second condition is fail and this is not function. I hope you like this.